this video, I'm going to show you how to refill all of the ink cartridges listed here. First of all, remove the label from the cartridge. Either use your fingers or a craft knife to peel back the edge to reveal the relevant fill holes. Now fill a syringe with cyan ink and inject it slowly into the hole for the relevant chamber. Repeat this process for the magenta ink, and finally, repeat for the yellow ink. We recommend injecting the amount of ink mentioned at the bottom of this video. If however there is still some ink in the cartridge, you may notice the ink start to overflow. If this happens, simply suck around 1 milliliter of ink from the top of the cartridge. And now wipe away any excess ink from the lid of the cartridge with some tissue paper. Now reapply the label or cover the holes using a small piece of tape that is no bigger than the lid. This tape should never overlap the sides, as this may stop the cartridge being installed back into your printer. With the refill complete, reinstall the cartridge and perform 2 to 3 cleaning cycles using your printer or printer software. If you're unsure how to do this for your particular model, please consult your user manual. It is perfectly normal for your printer to believe that the cartridge is still empty or low, but it will allow you to continue regardless of this warning. Some printer models may ask for a small prompt from you, so be sure to read any messages you were given in full. I hope you found this video useful. If however you have any further questions, please let us know in the comments below. Thank you.